This is the best and most powerful VPS server you can get for free. This server has 4 cores processor and 24 GB RAM. If you are going to buy a server like this, you have to pay more than $80 every month. You can get this service free for a lifetime, as long as they offer it for a free tier. The best thing is it works 24/7 hours. I have also used this server for more than a year, I never charged a cent. Today in this video I show you can set up remote desktop access known as RDP connection to this amazing server. You can control the VPS server using a graphic user interface without coding. In a future video of the MineX community forum, you will learn how to use this server for super fast web hosting and live streaming on Facebook and YouTube. Let's begin the setup, don't miss important steps in the process. This amazing free VPS is provided by the Oracle Cloud Platform, check the description. The registration link in the article. After you register on the Oracle Cloud, log into the dashboard. You will see this screen. To start, click the Create a VM instance button, then you will be redirected to the setup page. If you want you can change the instance name. Type any name you prefer. Under Image and Shape click the Edit button to customize OS and the machine type. Change the server image to Ubuntu 20.04 newest version. Then click the Change Shape button. Change the processor type to Ampere which has more customizable features. After that, you will see the shape name, click on it to customize the CPU and RAM. Increasing the processor power to 4 cores, automatically increase the memory to 24 GB. Under the networking make sure you select the Create New Virtual Cloud Network and New Public Subnet. You have to add SSH credentials to the server, it will help to connect the server remotely from your home computer. So select the Paste Public Keys option to add the SSH key. You have to generate an SSH key using PuttyGen. Check the article in the video description, there is a download link to the Putty app. You have to download and install it on your home PC to generate an SSH key pair. After that, open PuttyGen, click the Generate button and move your cursor in this area. Copy the whole SSH key and paste it on the Oracle Cloud VM instance. OK, now you are set to deploy the machine, click the Create button. This will take a few seconds to deploy, meanwhile, you can save the private key of the putty. Save this in a safe place, it is needed to connect to the VPS. OK, the server is online. Let's connect to the server. Copy the public IP address and open the Putty app. Place the public IP address as the hostname. Then click Auth under SSH to add the private key. Select the key which was previously saved. Back to the Session tab, you can save the session by entering any name. It may help you to connect to the VPS again without entering the credentials. Type Ubuntu to get access. OK, now you are successfully connected to the server. You can use this server for any purpose such as running your WordPress site or any other web application. In the next part of the video, you will learn how to install the Ubuntu desktop environment and set up RDP access to this server. In the future video of MineX Tuts, I will show you how you can use this powerful server for super fast WordPress web hosting. All commands and guidelines in the article, you just have to copy and paste. It is that much easier, don't get confused, follow all the steps correctly. Check the video description. I removed some parts from the video and edited a little bit to give you clear instructions. Don't get confused when you see an edited part. All steps and instructions are 100% correct, you can follow me without any issue. First, get the root access by entering this. Then update all the list of packages using this command. You can install Ubuntu GUI using this command. Type Y to proceed further. Press enter to continue the installation. Use this command to install a type VNC server on this VPS. It helps to build a remote desktop connection to this machine over an SSH connection. Enter this code to add a password to the VNC server. Enter your password and confirm it by retyping. Your entering is not visible in the terminal, it is due to security precautions. It asks to set up a view-only password, type N for this, otherwise you are not able to control the server remotely. Next, we are going to modify the VNC server configuration file. First, stop running the VNC server. Now enter into the file with the nano text editor using this command. Remove all the codes on the file and replace them using the new lines that are in the article. To save the changes, press Ctrl and X, then type Y and press enter. Next, enter this command. Now you can run the VNC server again. The installation part is over, you can connect to the server. Don't close the terminal, keep it open. Right-click on the terminal's toolbar and select Change Settings. Expand SSH and navigate to Tunnel. Here enter 5900 as the source port and as the destination localhost, 5901. Then click the Add button and apply the changes. You have to install the VNC Viewer app on your home PC to connect to the server. You can find the download link in the description. Enter localhost 5900 as the remote hostname. Enter the password that you entered before. You can see the Ubuntu desktop environment installed in the VPS successfully. Now you can handle the VPS from your home computer remotely. You may experience a little bit of lag, it is due to connection problems, not the server. Hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you any issues regarding the tutorial, open the question directly on the MineX community forum. Because most of the YouTube comments are missed from us. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. Thank you for watching MineX.